Hey girl and boys alike, make sure before we get started you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for our sponsors. All of their information will be found in the description box below. I am so in love with this wig. As you guys know, as I am on this growth journey or just on a journey period in life, okay, I am making sure that when I do protective styles, I'm not looking too much like somebody else. So that way, when I wear my own hair, it won't be like a shock. I won't feel so different. Boom. You know what I mean? So this hair is so good at mimicking the natural texture of curly hair when it's blown out. Okay. And if I would have turned the heat up a little higher, I could have gotten it super duper straight just with the blow dryer alone. But I did want to give you guys a glimpse of how it looks flat iron. There are a few pieces that, you know, ran away from the flat iron and I didn't try to get them. I let them live their life. But I do want to throw in there that I'm not leaving this wig on for a long period of time. So I did use a cap. And the reason that I use a cap, you will find out in a video coming soon, but it has absolutely nothing to do with this wig. And if I could do everything all over again, I would have applied this wig without the cap because you do not need it. This lace is so freaking transparent, and when I tell you it's pre-plucked, the knots are already bleached. If you have never put on a wig before in life, this is the perfect wig for you. And you know, I'm not one of those people throwing around, oh, get a wig here, get a wig here. But listen, you will see this wig again and again because I have to do it without the cap. Yes, I have on my husband's t-shirt, and yes, it's water or juice or something on my shirt. That's real life in the streets, okay? But anyway, you guys just sit back and relax. I did want to point that out though, the cap, so you will see a subtle line of demarcation, but I want you to just imagine in your head how bomb this wig would look on my head if I did not have that cap. Okay, so sit back, relax, and we'll talk in a minute or later in the next video. Leave me some comments below on what you think.
get there, I know you would. I know that you don't like your hair, but I think it's beautiful. We just need to calm down.